Hello everyone, I'm Olga and you're on my channel Happy Look. We've crafted our adorable bunny and now it's time to elevate her wardrobe. Join me in this exciting crochet project as we create a cozy cardigan for her. For the cardigan I will be sticking with the same yarn we used for our bunny. This is acrylic yarn with 200 meters in 100 grams. We'll need only 30 grams of this yarn. I also have cotton yarn that I use for finishing. It's approximately the same thickness, so it will work well. I'm going to use 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. We are starting off with a slip knot and chain of 25. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. $25. That is our second chain from the hook. We are going to start here with single crochet and then we are just going to single crochet in each one of our stitches. I'll let you finish this row on your own and we'll meet back at the end. We finish the row, chain 1, turn, and here we are going to make 3 single crochet and increase 6 times. Into second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochet in 1. Repeat them 4 times more and I'll meet you back at the end. We finish the row, chain 1, turn. For the next row we are going to do 4 single crochets and increase 6 times. That was our first, then 2, 3 and 4. Increase 1 and 2 in one stitch. Continue working on this way 6 times in total. We are finishing the row, chain 1, turn. For row 4 we are going to do 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then chain of 6 to create the armhole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, skip 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In back part work, 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then for the next armhole, chain of 6, skip 6, 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 1, turn. And for row 5 we are going to work single crochet in each one of our stitches all the way to the end. Now we'll go through along our chain, work single crochet in each stitch of our chain. Continue all the way to the end and I will meet you there. I finished the 5th row and now it's time to try it on. It fits well here. Excellent. I can see we're on the right track. Let's continue. Let's chain 1, turn, and for row 6 we are going to work single crochet in each stitch. Continue all the way to the end. We've finished that row, chain 1, turn. For row 7 we are going to single crochet in next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then increase right under armhole 1 and 2 in 1. Then we are going to work 18 single crochet and increase under armhole and 8 single crochets. And for round 8 through 13 I let you to continue the pattern that you see on the screen. We'll meet back at the end of round 13. We've finished with that. I've pulled the thread and now let's try it on. It looks fine. And now we are going to start with the border. I'm going to be using the yellow yarn. We are going to be working from the front side of our work and to start up in the top right corner. We are just going to start with a slip knot. Let's join our yarn right into this right corner with single crochet. Put the tail here. And now I'm going to single crochet all the way across the bottom. Continue working on this way and we'll meet over here at the left hand corner. Now that we are at the corner of our bottom edge, we are going to make 3 single crochets into that last stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to work up the side of our cardigan. 1, and you are going to see there are natural little spaces here, going to be 12 of them. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have a little corner space right here. We are going to make 3 single crochets in one. 1, 2, 3. And now we are just going to single crochet all the way across the top of our cardigan. Then 3 single crochets in one at the corner. And then 2 crochet down the last side. I finished with this. If you remember, we started right here in this corner with 1 single crochet, and now I'm going to work 2 more single crochets in the same stitch, and now I'm going to invisible fasten off. For this, cut the yarn. Insert the hook under both loops of very first stitch. Pull the end through completely. Now I want to pull the tail back through the same stitch. Insert the hook from the bottom to the top under the front bar of the last stitch. Pull the end through completely. This is what we got. Very nice. I'm going to weave in the tail somewhere here. And now we are going to create a sleeve. Slip knot. And I'm going to attach it over here in the corner and make single crochet. 1, and go around 2, hide the tail here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'I wanna cut the tail just now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that was round 1. Now we are just going to do the same things for rounds 2, 3, and 4. Next we are going to work single crochet in each stitch. I finished with that. Now I am to slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now we need to go and add a border to our little sleeve. All we are going to do is take our border color again, and we are just going to single crochet. Along the way we hide the tails. Continue working on this way. And now I'm going to join the round with invisible fasten off. We already know how to do it. Now I'm just going to take my needle and weave in the ends here. And we need to do the exact same things to crochet on the sleeve. So our cardigan is almost ready, we just have the finished touch left. We are going to make the ties. For that, take the yarn in the main color, a slip knot and chain off 30. The chain is ready. Join here in the corner stitch with a slip stitch. And work slip stitches all along the neckline. And don't forget to create a chain of 30 stitches at the end. We are done with this. Here is our charming bunny's cardigan. I can see she likes it. Here I simply tied the ends of the bow into knots and secured them tightly. I'll be waiting for you in the next video, where I will crochet short romper for our little bunny. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye bye!